everyone, welcome to our Philippine culture video presentation.
Today, we're taking you the quick but exciting journey, the one of the most beautiful places in the Philippines.
Welcome to
Palawan!
1,000,000 zillion jillion dillion cotillion times later.
Palawan is located in the Mimaropa region on the western side of the Philippines. It is the country's largest province and is often called the last frontier because of its untouched natural landscapes, rich biodiversity, and stunning island formations. It stretches between the South China Sea and the Sulu Sea, making it one of the most scenic places in the country. Palawan is home to some of the world's tourist destinations. First is El Nido, famous for its dramatic limestone cliffs and crystal clear lagoons. Next is Coron, known for its shipwreck diving spots and beautiful lakes like Kayangan Lake. And of course, the Puerto Princesa Underground River, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 wonders of the nature. These places makes a Palawan paradise for adventure seekers.
Palawan also offers unique and unforgettable food experiences. One of the most popular delicacies is tamilok, a wooden dish served fresh, a must-try for adventurous food lovers. Another favorite is chicken inato, a grilled chicken especially from Puerto Princesa, and you can never go wrong with Palawan's fresh seafood, caught daily from its surrounding waters. And now, the main source of living in Palawan include in tourism, fishing and agriculture. Families really heavy and coastal fishing and farming in their daily needs. Tourism also provide many jobs from island guides to hotel workers. Palawan is also known for pearl farming, producing some of the best pearls in the world.
Palawan celebrates its culture through colorful festivals. The Baragatan Festival is the biggest celebration, featuring street dances, parades, and cultural shows. Another important tradition is Pagdiwata ritual of the Tagbanua people, a ceremonial offering to express gratitude and ask for blessings from the spirits.
Palawan is the home of the several indigenous groups such as Tagbanwa of Palauan and Batak. Many locals speak Kaunyon, widely used dialect in the province. Their traditional clothing is simple, using woven fabrics and handmade accessories. Here's basic greetings in Kaunyon. Magandang adlaw, which mean good morning.
Did you know that Palawan has been awarded Best Island in the World several times?
And the Tubata Reef National Park in Palawan is the most diverse marine ecosystem on Earth.
In this video, we explored Palawan's geography and attractions that make it world famous.
We also learned about the food sources of living, festival, culture, and amazing traditions.
Palawan is truly a paradise where nature and culture come together.
We hope you enjoy our presentation.
Thank you for watching.